Training credit note, invoice section. Credit note with return item are done from packing list. We can search a related invoice. Select the packing list. To return all items, we'll be using this icon. Otherwise, we'll be selecting the line and returning partially. Retaining one in stock, one to the other because defective. We can see that we have return item on that line. We could undo the returning. If we take a look to the packing list, we have a credit note required. We could search for all packing lists with require credit notes. We will convert to credit notes. Invoice must be confirmed to be able to do so. And this is our credit note. We can add return item using this icon. Looking up, we have one packing list with one return item. We can also use this icon to search for packing lists with not return item to give additional discount, not taking back any stock, like minus 20% here. If we print and ask to separate multiple shipment, we'll be able to see the additional discount. We can also make a credit not related to stock, doing new and credit notes. We'll be adding non-stock item like a sponsorship here, minus $500. If you want to remove the credit note require indicator, you can go in batch